stuck out, looking for a way out. You know, just taking it slow. Now I'm feeling one out, looking for a way out. Somebody show me that door. I was waving.
Hey dolls, welcome back to ExquisiteD. Welcome back to my channel. So before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Follow me on my social media. I'll put it on the screen. Everything you need to know will be on the screen. Details and everything is be in the description box below. Links and all that. Y'all know how it goes. But yeah, let's get into this video. Let's make it quick because y'all want to see me install it too. First of all, I want to say sorry that the quality of this video is trash. I cannot find good lighting anywhere. I'm doing this video pretty late, not late, but it's like 2 o'clock, and like the sun isn't out. It's playing hide and go seek with me. I was trying to do it and it just looked trash. The quality was trash. The bathroom is the only thing that's giving me enough good lighting. But I'm gonna invest in a ring light. I'm gonna finally get a ring light because this lighting is too trash for me. Like, for the people that's new, hey y'all, I know I'm just talking, but you know, welcome to the family. Don't forget to subscribe. But yeah, let's get into the video and show y'all how I installed it. It's a synthetic wig, y'all. Right now, like, look at this wig, y'all. Like, but yeah, this is a synthetic wig. Yeah, so this is from Red Carpet. It's Red Carpet Premiere Lace Front Wig. This is the stock card, and I got it says Future. I don't know what that means, Future, and it is heat resistance, and it's correct. And then I used it to like kind of flat iron it a little bit, and I did use a hot comb to give me some like volume, even though it naturally has a volume. It's in color. I have the color 99J 350. So the 99J 350, the color is like a burgundy, which is a 99J. It has some black in it as well, and the 350 is like an orange blondish color, but you can't really see it because it just hides. It goes well with the 99J, so it just makes it looks really pretty. It's like the perfect burgundy color. Like, it looks beautiful, y'all. Like, it matches like black girl melanin skin tone really good. Like, it's matching melanin, like it matches the skin tone, like brown skin, dark skin girls. This matches your skin tone. If you're looking for a burgundy wig, synthetic, and that wants to match your skin tone, this is the perfect wig for y'all, dog. Like, it matches. I'm in light skin girls. It matches anybody, but I'm just saying, for, you know how I'm the type of girl that don't like to wear black hair. I'm too scared to try color. I did try burgundy before. I did try it. If you've been watching me, you know I did try burgundy before, but I wanted some new burgundy hair at a discounted price because it was the last one in this particular color, and it was on the mannequin head, so I did get on. It was on a mannequin head, so it got my attention. So it was originally $39.99. I got it for $29.99. I will make sure to put in the link. I'll make sure to put like in the description box below. If I find any of them online, I'm pretty sure I will find it, because you can find anything from the beauty supply store online. If it's not like an old wig, I'm pretty sure you'll find my other colors. So it does have like an ombre blonde, I have an ombre cherry red, and I have my color that I have in my head, and it also have, it looks like a brown, like a sugary brown. I'm not sure if they have 1B. I don't know if they have black, but I'll make sure to put it in the description box below once I upload this video. So yeah, dolls, it is a flat edge blunt cut. So it's cut like a blunt cut, but it's like an angled blunt cut. As you can see, it does have in the back of it, it just gives you, it's teaching you how to apply lace fronts and just tell you how to apply it. And yeah, that's about it for this stock card. Wig does have a comb in the back, so it's only a comb in the back. There's no combs in the front. So if you don't want to, I'll show you, because when I put the wig on, before I put, because y'all know I installed my wigs with Ghost Bond and all that. Before I put, when I put the wig on and before I used the Ghost Bond or the glue, it did like lay flat. Like, it lay really flat. You do not need, it snugs on your, like, if it's really snug on your head, you do not need to put adhesive. If you want to, for your purposes, you can. It doesn't have a comb in the back, but it fits perfect. Like, if it's snugged on my head, it fit perfectly on my head, and you'll see in the next clip when I do show you how I installed it. You see how it fit snug on my head without me put glue or anything on it. Before I even laid it, did anything or cut the lace off, it fit perfectly on my head. So you do not need to use adhesive if you don't want to. I just use it for my purpose because I like to wear my wigs for a week. The density of this wig is gorgeous. It's not shiny. It's really thick. Like, it's a thick wig. Like, it looks really, really natural. It looks like bundles. It's really thick. I did run like a flat iron through it really quick just to, you know, lay a little bit better. But you do not need to. I put some powder on the part. That's the part, and I did use baby hairs, you know. Y'all watch me, I know I love my baby hairs. I did not pluck it at all, so you do get a pretty long part, and it is a lace front. But it's the only part you get. Y'all know how it goes, you know, you can't part anything. You just get, it just comes with the part naturally. So yeah, and I did use a hot comb just to, you know, make the wig flat, but I tell you, you don't need to do all of that if you just want to do it, because it coming out the pack, it looks really nice. It looks gorgeous. You'll see once I put the powder on the part. You know, whatever your purpose is when it comes to wearing your wigs, you do it, y'all. Do it how you like it. But yeah, let me show y'all the back. So that's the back. That's the back of the wig. The sides, I do put it behind my ears. Show y'all the baby hair that I laid. That's the other side. It's a cute little quick wig to wear. It's like a yaki texture. It's really, really nice. That's why I be scared to wear synthetic color wigs, because like they tend to come out shiny. If it's not shiny, they're too like thick. Y'all know what I mean? It's too yucky. So is this like a perfect? This is perfect. I love it. It's movable. It does move. Look at that. And it moves with the wind. Yes, y'all. So yes, dolls. Gorgeous. I love this wig, y'all. I love all the wigs I get. I don't know why. I love it all. But yeah, so thank you dolls for watching. Make sure to stay tuned so y'all can see the next clip of me installing the video. I won't be talking. I don't feel like talking through it. I'll just show y'all like a video of me doing it. It's gonna be fast forward. So if you do need to stick around so you can see how I style my synthetic wigs with the ghost bond and you know all that jazz. So turn your notifications on, because I'm telling you, I'm really out here with these videos. So thank you dolls for watching, and stay tuned for the next clip of me installing it.
out, nigga, ice me out, ice me out, ice me out, ice me out, nigga.